5-cup drip coffee maker. Sold by Amazon.ca. Introducing the Holstein Housewares 5-cup drip coffee maker, your new kitchen essential. Designed for convenience with a permanent filter and borosilicate glass carafe. Features a water level indicator, auto pause/serve, and keep warm functions. Bright red color adds a stylish pop to your kitchen decor. Remember, the right grind and amount of coffee ensure the perfect brew. Easy on-off operation and a 6-cup capacity to serve your needs. Includes a stowaway power cord for a clutter-free countertop.